Hello, I'm Officer Judy Hops. How to operate a fire hydrant. A fire hydrant or fiery cock is a connection point by which firefighters can tap into a water supply. It is a component of active fire protection. Like in fire hose reels we checked it out, the water flows out when you press the nozzle. It is therefore connected to the water line in the underground. When you operate this, you must put a pipe on the outlet, then simply turn the valve to open the water, just like firefighters can do in case of fire. Now, most of the fire hydrants flow water upwards at a rate up to 2,000 gallons per minute. In our country, there are 4 types of hydrants, namely wet barrel hydrants, dry barrel hydrants, warm climate hydrants, and flush hydrants. Dry barrel hydrants are pressurized and drained through the workings of a main valve located in the base of the hydrant. When the main valve is opened, the barrel is pressurized. When the main valve is closed, the barrel drains. This allows the dry barrel hydrant to be used almost anywhere. Also, a wet barrel hydrant holds a constant water supply and each hose outlet has independent valves to control the flow of water. Note that dry barrel hydrants are used in cold weather climates, and wet barrel on the other hand are used in warm climates. And for the flushing hydrants, a flushing hydrant is a hydrant that is used for flushing a water line of silt, rust, debris, or stagnant water. Many water utilities use standard fire hydrants for flushing their lines. It therefore takes about 10 to 15 minutes to flush. Flushing hydrants can be done to not only test the fire flow capacity in the event of a fire, but also to remove sediment and rust from the water, or to maintain proper chlorine concentrations in your area. So, once you're ready to operate a fire hydrant, just simply turn the valve to let water out. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.